Healthier fried food. Compact air fryer uses AirCrisp technology, instead of oil, to help reduce added fat by 70 to 80%, without sacrificing the flavor of your fried food. No more residual smell hours after you've eaten. Quick plus easy, short on time. Simply load the 2 quarts capacity fryer basket, set the temp, and set the timer. Your food comes out crispy, guaranteed, every time. And in less time than it takes to preheat your oven, making it more energy efficient. Safer. The auto shut-off function prevents overcooking, and the cool touch housing and handle makes it easy to use. Versatile. This is the perfect appliance for picky eaters, large families, or those who have busy schedules. Appetizers to desserts, 1 dozen chicken wings, 1 pound French fries, even baked goods, and all within minutes of setting the timer. It couldn't be easier. Compact plus lightweight. Half the weight of a standard fryer, the air fryer is your must-have for that first apartment, smaller kitchen, college dorm life, or camper RV traveling. Plus, its sleek design and trendy color options will accent any kitchen space. Top reviews from the United States. Great for one person. I have used this a couple times. It's really a cute product, not too big, works well. It does have the plastic smell when in use, but I think it is getting less and may go away completely. I have made chicken thighs which I had to turn over halfway since the skin was getting too dark, but I think that was because of the seasoning I used that was burning, but the skin was crispy and the chicken super juicy. I also have made frozen breaded chicken tenders, the oven-ready kind. They came out nice and crispy and browned. I got this because I live alone and hate using the oven and heating the house for a single serving, and I hate toaster ovens since they take forever to cook in. This is perfect for one person.